This must be it. Looks pretty ancient, but I recognize Renan architecture when I see it.
It's seen some beatings. If it stayed sealed all this time, it's not because people left it alone.
It's not just their technology. The Renans build their structures out of special materials, too. Strong enough to withstand assaults from Dahnan tools and weaponry, anyway.
So how the hell are we...
Easy.
I hate that I can see what's on the...
Looks like this place used to be a supply base of some sort. It probably even dates back to the Great Conquest of 3 centuries ago.
For an abandoned place, sure is crawling with critters.
Out of our way!
Demon Fang! Demon Fang!
Mega Ray!
Slice!
Here
Swallow Blade!
And again! Mega Ray!
Together, that wasn't even a problem.
I won't forgive you!
Swallow Blade!
There!
Slice!
I'm only getting started!
Demon Fang! This one's all mine!
There! One more!
Demon Fang! We did it!
These little ones are hardly worth our...
Less talking, more pummeling. This could be useful. Is this a chest of some sort?
A Renan kind, yeah. We should definitely hold on to what's inside. I won't forgive you!
Fang!
One more! Mega
Come and
Ray!
face me!
Where are you going?
Swallow Blade!
Slice! Flame of
Eat
fury!
dirt! Slice!
Strike!
Nicely done, Shionne.
You're slacking. Step it up.
Yeah, you got it.
Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne. Phew. That may not have been a fancy feast we just had, but I don't remember the last time I felt this full.
Do the Renans often not give you all enough to eat?
It's never enough. The Renans decide exactly how much we'll have and when we'll have it, and that's that. We do our best to get around it. Everyone has to grow their own food and such behind the Renans' backs in order to get by. Thinking about it now, I wonder if they've always kept it meager so we would never have the energy to try to resist what they've done to us.
Yeah. An empty stomach takes its toll on the body and the spirit after a while.
How does a Renan like you know what it's like?
I may be Renan, but they don't like me either. I could be squeaky clean and they still wouldn't give me anything.
Did your stomach just...
I didn't hear anything.
But you just ate. How are you already...
I said I didn't hear anything.
I still have some I haven't eaten yet. Do you want it?
Sure.
We've been walking around for a while now. Can we give up already?
What, you're tired?
We're tired of something, all right.
I'm not giving up until we search every inch of this place.
She's really determined to find those clothes.
No choice. Demon Fang!
One more! Magna Ray!
Rising Wyvern!
Here
You're
I go!
on!
You're mine!
I can't lay a finger on you.
I prefer it that way. What about you?
Just watch and see.
Demon Fang! Burning Strike! Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Demon Fang!
Burning Strike!
I'll take you all on! Swallow Blade! Demon Fang! Demon Fang! We did it!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart's content. Seems about right to me.
Whew, what a rush.
Gotta break through! Demon Fang! Stop! Swallow Blade! Slut!
One more!
Swallow Blade! Demon Fang! Demon Fang!
Here I go! Barely a blip on our radar.
We're so high up. Is this Renan technology? I'm amazed you guys can pull something like this off.
For us, sites like this are completely normal.
This must be...
The former owner's old wardrobe, yeah.
I wonder how long they've hung here. They don't look like they've aged a day.
The designs are a little dated, but it'll have to do.
Listen, I get it. You care how you look. But we've got places to...
What is it?
No, nothing. We've kept Zephyr and the others waiting long enough. We should head back.
Okay. Let's head back to Ulzebek.
You're in a good mood. Were you that happy to find a new outfit?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm the same as ever.
Get lost! Help me! Mega Ray! Where are you going?
Swallow blade!
Take it! It's over!
Slash! Eat dirt! We did it!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more
Here I
pummeling.
go!
Cut them apart to your heart's content. Looks like it could be worth something.
There.
Out of our way!
Slash! Swallow blade!
One more! Mega Ray!
Slash! Swallow blade!
Go! You're mine!
Slash! Demon Fang!
I'm only getting
Swallow
started!
blade! Slash!
Hear me! Flame of fury!
Swallow blade!
Barely a blip on our radar.
You said before that this probably used to be a supply depot, right? But Nay thought it was a Renan castle. I wonder what it actually is.
Who knows?
Who knows?
What, can't I not know something? You didn't think I knew every last thing about my own kind, did you?
I didn't say that.
From what I've heard, a lot of the materials that were initially brought over from Rena 300 years ago were repurposed for other things over time. So it's entirely possible that this place used to be both a supply depot and a lord's castle at different points in time. They're not mutually exclusive. I couldn't tell you when the lord's castle moved to its current location, though. Well, satisfied?
Yeah. Thank you. You know, for telling me about all that.
It's not like I mentioned anything that useful. Come on, let's keep moving.
Out of our way!
Slash! Swallow blade!
Mega Ray!
Slash! Demon Fang! Swallow blade!
I'm ready!
Slash! Swallow blade!
Go! I'm only getting started!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Want to get back to Ulzebek?
Yeah, we better. We don't have time to waste.
Someone's in a hurry.
Get lost!
Demon Fang!
Mega Ray! Where are you going?
Come and face me! Slash!
Hear me!
Swallow
Flame
blade!
of fury! Burning strike!
It's on!
This is it!
Demon Fang!
Looks like it could be worth something. Out of our way! Here I go! It's over!
Eat dirt! Demon Fang!
You're mine!
Slash!
It's weakened!
This ends now!
You're mine!
We're in good form! No choice! Demon Fang!
Flame of Fury! Burning
Slash! Try harder! Demon
Here I
Fang!
go! I'm only getting started!
Slash! Swallow Blade!
There! And again!
Slash!
Mega Ray!
Together, that wasn't even a problem.
Out of our way!
Slash! Swallow
Go.
Blade!
I'm only
I'll
getting
take you
started.
all off! Swallow Blade!
Hear me! Flame of Fury!
Swallow Blade!
Burning Strike!
Slash! Swallow Blade! Together, that wasn't even a problem.
Let's dispose of the trash.
Slash! Swallow Blade! Hut, hut.
Mega Ray!
Swallow Blade!
Flame of
Slash!
Fury!
Swallow
If it's
Blade!
in the sky, it's mine! Hear me! Flame of Fury! Burning Strike!
Slash! Onward and upward.
I hate camping out.
Gotta break through! Demon Fang! Come one, come all! It's on!
Here, let me
Slash!
help!
Swallow Blade!
First aid!
Now I can let... We've turned the tables on him.
There are still more left!
Right.
Mega
No
Ray!
time to open. We've got flyers.
I've got this! Let a marksman handle it!
All yours.
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
No choice.
There!
Demon
Go.
Fang!
Mega Ray!
Swallow Blade!
They've got me surrounded.
You picked the wrong fight.
Here I go!
Slash!
I'm only
Swallow
getting
Blade!
started!
Together, that wasn't even a problem.
see anybody around here who could use our help?
We can't chase after...
Yeah!
How's this?
Huh? Okay!
Thanks. Sorry for the side trip.
We got to... learn a new dish. I'll take what I can get, really. Let's cook it next time we make camp.
Is that...
Crap!
What? No way! Damn it!
Just where do you think you're going?
You know where. Moscow.
What good is it going to do to...
I don't need your permission.
Get lost! One more!
Destruction! Destruction!
Here I go! You're mine! By the power of water!
Destruction!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize. There are fewer soldiers stationed at the garrison than usual.
Out of our way!
Demon Fang!
Go!
Crush!
There! Go! It's over! I'm ready!
Destruction! Crush!
Take it!
Destruction!
It's over!
You got flyers!
I've got this! Let a marksman handle it!
Demon. All yours! Destruction! Looks like we won. Gotta break through! Now you'll learn! Destruction!
Burning crunch!
Demon Fang!
One more!
I won't show you any mercy!
You've got spirit!
Sight! Only getting started!
Destruction! Crush!
Gemini!
Try harder!
Go to hell!
Demon Fang!
Damn it, Bennett!
Eat dirt!
Damn it!
Demon Fang! Destruction! Crush!
It's over!
Destruction!
By the power
Rising
of water!
Wyvern! I can feel my power growing!
You think it might be useful? We should try it and see how it turns out.
Fang!
First aid! Hear me! Flame of
Destruction!
fury! Burning strike!
Crush! Destruction!
Mega ray! Gemini Aqua!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize. I won't
Demon
forgive
Fang!
you!
It's over!
Destruction!
By the power of water!
Crush! Destruction!
Here I go! I'm only getting
Demon
started!
Fang!
Barely a blip on our radar.
No choice! Demon Fang!
Mega ray! By the power of water!
Destruction! Crush! Destruction!
Sighted!
Demon Fang!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Gotta break through! Demon Fang! This one's all mine!
Hear me! Flame
Demon
of fury!
Fang!
Burning strike!
Destruction! Crush!
There! And again!
Destruction!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Now you'll learn!
Mess with my friends, will you?
You just crossed the wrong line!
This one's mine! Hear me! Flame of
Destruction!
fury!
They really don't give up, do they?
Now
Eat
you'll
dirt!
Hey! 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 Damn it! Too late.
Stop. Please, don't hurt the children.
What's that?
Damn it, I can't reach them in time!
Get back, Cole.
Duck! Cole! Stop! Not if I can help it!
Mega ray! Gemini Aqua!
Destruction! Demon Fang!
Here, let me help! First aid!
Damn it!
Mega ray!
Rising Wyvern!
By the power of water!
Are you all right? What about the others? Those bastards?
Iron Mask, take it easy. Most were able to escape, and we've survived. Honestly, we got off.
Lucky! You call...
This is how things go when you're a Dahnan slave. You're dead if you stand up to them. Keep your head down. You only have one.
I should wait for the right moment.
Yes.
So someone else dies instead while we live another day. You're willing to risk everything on the chance that things will get better if we wait long and... But what's the point of waiting if others have to...
What do you think happens when someone tries to resist? It'd be one thing if the rebel died, and that was that. But you've seen it for yourself. Knowing that, are you really going to tell me our waiting has no meaning?
But that's... I understand not wanting to throw away the same lives we're trying to protect. But if you wait too long, if you get too used to waiting... I've already met the Crimson Crows. People who risk their lives to fight the Renan's rule. People who know they might not live to see us win, but fight anyway to give those who come after a better chance. If my life is at risk either way, then I'd rather spend it fighting.
So you've decided to take up the sword.
Yes, but not just any sword. It's a sword that only I can wield, but one that's also... I doubt those who fought the Renans in the past ever had something like this on them. That's why I'm willing to bet everything I have on this sword.
Okay. If that's how you feel, then forget what I said. Currently, if there's a way through this for all of us.
Doc.
Now, remember what you said.
Right. I won't.
You've grown so much since we first met. And you've met some good people, too.
Dispose of the trash.
You've got spirit!
Crush! Gemini Alphen!
Destruction! Crush! Demon Fang!
By the power of water! Gemini Alphen!
Go to hell!
Crush! Demon Fang!
By the power of water!
Damn it, Betty!
Demon Fang!
Primed and ready! Here it is! I'm only getting... I never miss!
Demon Fang!
Gemini Alphen!
Destruction!
Hear me!
Crush!
Burning strike!
Barely a blip on our radar.
Gotta break through! Demon Fang!
And again! Magna Ray!
This one's all mine!
Here I go! It's over!
Crush! Demon Fang!
Sight!
Destruction!
You're mine!
It got fired!
I've got this!
All yours!
Barely a blip on our radar. Let's
Demon
dispose
Fang!
of the trash.
Gemini Aqua!
Rising Wyvern!
Power of water!
Next!
Magna Ray!
Destruction!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Gotta break through! Rising Wyvern!
Flame of
You're
Fury!
on!
Burning strike! This is it!
Destruction!
Burning
Demon
strike!
Fang!
Barely a blip on our radar.
You're back. Hurry on in. We've been waiting for you.
You're not gonna ask what happened?
I can tell enough by the way you look right now.
I see. Zephyr, I need to ask you something. Would you have invited me to join you, even if I didn't have the blazing sword?
Of course.
Why, though?
There aren't many folks out there who are crazy enough to resist the Renans like we do. So, plus, you remind me of another guy we lost. Maybe deep down, I'm trying to help you as a way of making amends for what I couldn't do. But if you don't want this, just say the word.
I'm not going anywhere. If it...
You say so. All right.
Thanks.
Yes!
What's wrong? Got it.
All right, everyone. It's time. Remember, eyes on the prize. We're after Balseph, nothing else. Cut off the head, and the snake perishes. Hit them head on, however, and we won't make it through the castle gates, let alone reach Balseph himself. Luckily, we have an ace up our sleeve. We need to do everything in our power to make sure that ace reaches Balseph's jugular. To that end, I'll be splitting us up into separate forces.
You just said all of us hitting them head-on would be useless. Why would we divide ourselves up?
'Cause we're the decoys. We'll buy our ace in the hole the time they need to get in. We only need to cause enough of a ruckus around the castle to distract the enemy. That said, we need to look like the real deal, which is why I'll be tagging along too.
You too, Zephyr? So, who's going to take on Balseph?
The Iron Mask. I'm counting on you and Shionne to make your way to wherever Balseph's hiding. Once there, you drive that flaming sword right through him.
You aren't seriously sending in just those two, are you? One of them's a Renan.
No one said the plan was perfect. By far, the biggest danger is the one you two will be facing. The fate of this quest rests entirely in your hands, which is why you get the final say. You want out, now's the time to say so.
And if we say no?
Then you say no. Just means we're back to square one, that's all.
And I go back to being a slave.
It's your life.
No, it isn't.
Ball's in your court, soldier. What do you say?
I want to fight.
But for what? What are you fighting for?
To free the Dahnans from the yoke of their abusive oppressors. To no longer die at the whim of another. To break the shackles of our enslavers. To live and taste freedom!
Now you're talking. I believe we have our ace in the hole, people. Hold on to that belief, and we just might break through that wall yet. And what about you?
I was born ready. Now can we get this show on the road?
There's a gate on your right once you leave here. Go through it and ride the elevator you'll find. I'll send ahead a few friendly faces to keep watch on your way. If you get into any trouble, look to them for support. We all clear? Good. May this battle herald the end of the Renan's bloody 3-century reign. To your battle stations, everyone!
I still can't believe this is happening. We're really about to face off against a Renan Lord.
Well, you're in pretty high spirits for a guy going into a life-and-death battle.
I'm not saying I'm not worried. But you have to remember, this is the first time any of us Dahnans have really had any hope. What about you? Are you scared at all?
I don't have time to be scared. This is only the first step in a long, long plan of mine.
You want to take down all 5 lords, right? It's hard to believe it'll ever happen.
But it will.
I know. I haven't forgotten our deal.
See that you don't. That said, if we lose, we might suffer a fate worse than death, you know.
That's probably true. But instead of worrying about it, wouldn't it be a better use of our time to figure out ways to avoid that and not lose?
I suppose.
Whatever happens, I'll put everything I have into winning. You can count on that. Hey.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good, good.
Is this something you're into?
Yeah. These ingenious structures and gadgets never cease to amaze me. Check out. These handle grooves.
I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be seeing here. Balsef's castle should be just above us.
All right. And let's use that elevator thing.
I won't forgive you!
Rising Wyvern!
You're mine!
Mirage! We did it!
I'm ready!
Rising Wyvern!
It's over!
Demon Fang!
Here I go! Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Zephyr and the Crimson Crows are supposed to be distracting the Renans from the front.
Then let's go around and sneak in elsewhere.
That's Zephyr from the Crimson Crows! Still out!
I hope he's gonna be okay.
Is now really the time to be worrying about him? We've still got a job to do.
Gates of Fire sure look intimidating once you see them up close. We can't say this place is truly liberated until we do something about them.
What are you muttering about? Stay focused. We still have to take down Balsef. We should be getting close to the service entrance.
Good. Let's get in there and kick their asses.
Is this someone's idea of a bridge?
Looks like it. Don't fall, or this will be a pretty short story.
It's already started. We need to hurry.
Hold on.
What?
You should take the blazing sword.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We don't know what might happen up ahead. It's better to have it and be ready than to be caught in a fight without it.
Flames.
I took the liberty of cutting the flow of energy from the Master Core. I may be giving you the sword, but you still need me to unleash its power. Try not to forget that. Just a minute.
What are you?
Time to see what this blazing sword can truly do. Destruction!
Here I go! It's over!
Demon Fang! Take this!
Hear me! Flame of Fury! Burning Strike! I never miss!
Demon Fang!
Mega Ray! Gemini Aqua! Let the marks be
Destruction! Crush!
Gemini Aqua! By the power of water!
Burn!
Hear me! Flame of
Demon
Fury!
Fang!
Burning Strike!
Crush!
Hear me!
It's
Flame
on!
of Fury!
You picked the wrong
Burning
fight!
Here I go!
Demon
It's
Fang!
over!
This one's
By
all
the
mine!
power of water!
Burn in hell!
Mega Ray!
Demon Fang!
Sighted! It's over!
This one's all mine!
Gemini Aqua!
Crush!
Mega Ray!
This one's all mine! Ignite!
Gemini Aqua!
Demon Fang!
Here I go!
This
I'm
one's
only
all
getting
mine.
started! Gemini Aqua! By the power of water!
Longplay!
Aqua!
Try this! Infernal Torrent!
There! Mega Ray! Gemini
Infernal
Aqua!
Torrent! You picked the wrong fight! Damn it!
Mega Ray!
Damn it! Try this!
Gemini Aqua!
Infernal
Do it!
Torrent! This shield!
This ends now!
Consider yourself finished!
Wow.
Sure.
We can cross through now.
Good. We're pressed for time. Out of our way!
Now you'll learn!
Eat this!
Damn it!
This one's mine!
Damn it, Bennett!
Do it! Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Gotta break through! Slash! Swallow blade! Demon Fang!
Water!
Rising Wyvern! Mirage!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Where the hell is Balsef? If we don't hurry up and find him...
You're too close. Try to stay farther apart.
Oh, right. Sorry about that. Was I really that close?
I guess I'm just not used to standing right next to people.
You mean because of your thorns? You're a surprisingly nice person.
What?
You don't think so? I mean, you just made sure your thorns wouldn't...
You can keep your opinions to yourself. You don't know the first thing about me.
I'm not saying I know everything about you. Sheesh. No need to bite my head off.
You just can't take a hint, can you?
What? I'm sorry. You're right. I don't know what sorts of hardships you've been through. After all, what could I possibly know about pain?
I know you didn't mean anything bad by what you said. The throne room is up on the next floor. That's probably where we'll find Balsef. Hey.
What?
If there's something you want to say, just come out and say it.
Huh?
I hate when I feel like people are laughing at me on the inside. Especially someone like you where I can't read your expression.
What? Why would I laugh at you? What are you talking about?
My outfit. As soon as you saw me in those ruins, you wanted to say something, didn't you?
Oh, it's not that. It's just...
Just what?
Nothing.
You're a truly awful person. You know that?
An awful... Hey, you're the one jumping to conclusions about what I think. You're not one to talk.
Then prove me wrong and tell me what you were really thinking.
It wasn't anything mean about you, I promise.
I don't believe that for a second.
And it doesn't matter what the hell I tell you. You'll always doubt me.